As winter sets in, it's crucial to keep a robust immune system and overall well-being. That's where Amla, the Indian gooseberry, comes in. Here are 5 compelling reasons why you should include Amla in your winter diet. Amla is a powerhouse of nutrients that can boost your immune system and help fight off winter illnesses. With its high antioxidant content, Amla can protect your body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Amla's restorative properties can nourish your skin and hair, keeping them healthy and radiant during the dry winter months. Amla is known for its adaptogenic properties, helping your body cope with stress and maintain balance. Including Amla in your diet can support digestive health, keeping your gut happy and functioning optimally. So, this winter, make Amla a part of your daily routine and experience its amazing benefits. Stay healthy and enjoy the season to the fullest.